nothing could compete, nothing could compare with Huda, but
Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay, and over here we do beauty related videos, and if that sounds like your cup of tea, please be sure to subscribe, and if you do like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. So as you can see by the title, we are going to be comparing the Chanel powder to the Huda Beauty powder. So I'm making that comparison because the Huda Beauty powder is like my favorite powder ever. Like nothing tops Huda in my book, nothing tops Huda in my eyes. I love Huda so much. Huda is like one of my favorite brands at this point, but the powder is top notch. So that's why I chose to compare the Chanel powder to it, because I always hear good things about the Chanel powder. Everyone's always talking about the Chanel powder. The Chanel powder is this, is that, is that, and I'm trying to get into luxury. So I'm trying to see, you know, the luxury products that work for me. And yeah, so I picked up the Chanel powder. I picked it up in the shade 40, and coincidentally, it is £40. The Huda powder is £39. However, the Chanel powder has 30 grams and the Huda powder has 20 grams, so it's worth the price. So if you're gonna pick it up because it's worth the price. Like per gram, Chanel's cheaper. So I'm gonna be comparing the Chanel powder in the shade 40 to the Huda powder in the shade Banana Bread. And if you want to see my thoughts and my feelings, the demo, please keep on watching. So if you see my Huda Beauty powder video, then you know the drill already. So I've let my concealer sit on my face for a little bit. I used a mixture of the Pat McGrath concealer in the shade M21 and the NARS concealer in the shade Custard. I don't know why I did that because they're so close to each other. I wanted the Custard to just be like, you know, a little bit of a highlight, but they're really close to each other. You can't even tell, so you can just use either or if you have any of them. And I'm just going to use my microfiber sponge to blend it out. Pat McGrath concealer. Honestly, I have no words. So for the Huda Beauty powder, I have two shades. I have Banana Bread and I have Blondie. I just got Blondie yesterday. I tried it yesterday for the first time, and because I want to get more acquainted with it, I'm going to be using it today. And if you haven't watched my video on this, you should go and watch that. But anyway, I do like the shade, but the packaging is just hard to deal with, so I'm just going to try and pour out some of the color into the lid of the other one. And I'm going to use a powder puff to apply the product. So that is the Huda Beauty side. And now we're going to go into the Chanel. So I'm going to just go into the Chanel, and I'm going to be using the Chanel puff, which feels so luxurious. Okay, so the powder is obviously darker than the Huda powder, and it's instantly mattifying. I mean, I don't mind it being a little bit darker. I don't mind it being a little bit darker, but at the same time, I'm not sure. I'm like, should I have gone for 30? I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. Wait, I'm gonna set the rest of my face using the Chanel and see how I feel, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then come back and tell you my final thoughts on how everything looks, you know, when everything is all said and done. Because so far I love how smooth it is. It's very similar to the Huda in terms of the smoothness. So yeah, I'm just going to finish off my face and see how it looks. It's not that warm, that's the only thing that I'm having a slight issue with, but it does look very natural, very smooth, very beautiful. So I'm just gonna have to see. So after everything is all said and done, this powder, this Chanel powder is beautiful. It's so gorgeous. Like, I can't believe that it's blowing my Huda out. I can't believe it's blowing my Huda out of the water. Like, what are you, what? And my Huda looks beautiful, let me not lie. Like, my Huda remains, I can't say it remains my favorite girl anymore, but like my Huda remains up there. But like, look how smooth and poreless this side is. Like, it literally looks like I have a filter underneath my eye. What the hell? And that's how I used to feel about my Huda, but like, what? Side by side, it looks crazy. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the undertone of this is just kind of cool, and cool in like a grey way, or should I say neutral? Because I'm cool and I'm yellow. Like, I am straight up yellow. Like, if you look at my chest, you can see I'm literally like a banana. Obviously not like a banana, but you know what I mean. Like, my undertone is really, really yellow, so this just looks so cool on me that it makes me look like half dead. Like, the fact that it was dark was not a problem for me, because I don't mind having different tones, different shades, but the fact that it's cool, it's not for me. I've looked at it in natural light, and that's why I'm like so adamant that I change it out for 30. But what do you guys think? Like, if you look at it like in accordance with my chest, you can see that there's like a major difference there. Like, it doesn't just look dark alone or natural alone, it looks too grey. But the finish of it is gorgeous. Oh my god, like, I'm in love. In love. Oh my god, I love it so much. My Huda is still doing what needs to be done. Let's not forget about her, but it's just, you can see the stark difference between the two. Like, you know how I have like a deep set under eye? You cannot see it here. What? You can't see it there. That's insane. That's insane. But yeah, needless to say, this is looking like it's worth the price. I really do want to keep it, because I do like the fact that it's a little bit on the darker side. It just gives me, you know, more options, more variety. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should keep it and get it for 30, or do you think I should swap it out for the 30, or do you think like I don't need the 30, that like, you know, that this is an okay shade for me? I only said that I want to change it just because of the undertone. The depth is not really a problem, because I do have other, you know, powders. If I want a bright undertone, I can wear a bright, if I want a bright powder, I can wear a bright powder. But just the fact that it is too cool. Like, are you seeing it compared to my chest? What do you think? But yeah, if you do not have this powder, get this powder, especially if you are on the drier side. This powder is giving what needs to be gave. Yes, this powder is everything. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm shocked. I'm actually shocked, because I didn't think anything could compete. Nothing could compete, nothing could compare with Huda, but oh my god. But yeah, tell me what you think in the comments down below. We've come to the end of the video. Please tell me if you like it, and if you do like it, be sure to give me a thumbs up. That really helps me out, and I'd love to see you in the next one, so make sure you're subscribed.